Hello world! Today post of Kevin with his Nespresso, he captioned it with, "From the first sip to my favorite moments. Nothing tastes like my Nespresso coffee. The new Arpego Extra Coffee brings bold intensity, a deep, roasted aroma, and unmistakable character. Whether I'm in motion or taking a moment to post, the best moment begins with my favorite coffee." From the Nespresso to Kevin, they said, "From the first sip to unforgettable moments, our Nespresso coffee, rock it all. We are thrilled to hear that you love the power, intensity, and unique character of our brand new Arpego Extra Coffee. Whether you are on the go or taking a moment to chill, the best moment always start with your favorite coffee. Cheers to many more epic coffee experiences." As to Kevin replied, "The new Arpego Extra gives me the energy for an epic day." Great day everyone! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!